Welcome to a world where water is pure and life is healthy. Welcome to your home with the BLACK+DECKER Countertop RO+UV water filter. It's revolutionary 5-stage filtration with sediment filter plus carbon plus RO plus post-carbon plus UV removes 99% of contaminants, including heavy metals, chemicals, and pathogens. The result? The purest water with the most natural taste. You'll want more with every sip. The best part is that you can easily install it anywhere because it requires virtually no installation. Just plug it in, fill it up, and get pure water at the push of a button. Its smart, intuitive, soft-touch display puts everything at your fingertips. But don't worry about water running out because it's got a 1-gallon tank and a high purification efficiency. This water filter comes with multiple certifications from international agencies like IAPMO's Platinum Seal and NSF. It comes with all the required parts and a detailed instruction manual, making it easy to install by yourself.
Initial setup instructions. First, assemble the filter. Fill the water tank with tap water up to the maximum water level. Switch on the power. All lights on the display screen will illuminate for 3 seconds. The appliance will automatically enter flushing mode for approximately 120 seconds and begin filtering and fill the internal pure water tank. It's recommended to empty the first fill. Press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds to drain the tank. Now the appliance is ready for normal use. How to use the appliance. The filter has 3 volume options. You may choose the required volume by pressing the Select Volume button. You may choose your preferred temperature setting from the following 5 options: ambient, baby milk, tea, coffee, boiling. The filter also has a child lock and sleep mode. To enable the child lock, touch the button once. To disable, touch it again. The child lock will automatically activate if the appliance remains idle for 1 minute. Sleep mode will automatically activate if the appliance is idle for 3 minutes. To wake the appliance from sleep mode, simply touch the control panel. So fill up a glass and raise a toast to good health with the BLACK+DECKER Countertop RO+UV water filter. Filter cartridge replacement. Remove the tank. Switch off the appliance by disconnecting the power plug. Remove the top cover. Grab the handle of the cartridge and rotate it counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Lift the used cartridge upwards. Put in the new cartridge and push down to the bottom. Rotate clockwise 90 degrees to lock the new cartridge. Put back the top cover and make sure it is installed in place. Switch on the appliance. See the user manual to reset filter life. The cartridge replacement and filter life reset is now complete.
So, fill up a glass and raise a toast to good health with the BLACK+DECKER Countertop RO+UV water filter.